In the last video, we talked about healthy conflict, what it is and why it's so important to the success of projects. The key to healthy conflict in a project is a team that trusts each other enough to be vulnerable. But what does that look like, and how do you get to that place? What I'm about to say requires a change of thinking for most people. When faced with a conflict, when you get upset and angry at what someone did, most of us keep it inside. Or maybe we vent to someone who isn't involved and can't do anything about it. Or maybe we send a text or an email to the person we're upset with. I'm saying don't do any of those things. Change your way of thinking. As unpleasant or scary as it may seem, it needs to be a face-to-face conversation. And if that's not possible, a phone conversation. This is not our natural impulse in a professional environment. It makes us uncomfortable, makes the other person uncomfortable. So I'm saying change those natural impulses and have that conversation with the goal of resolving the conflict, and even more important, preventing its recurrence. It's rarely ever as bad as you think it will be, and the hardest part of the conversation is the first 30 seconds, so the hard part is over pretty quickly. I'll help you get started. Be brief. All of what I'm about to describe should take no more than 30 seconds. Start with this. I have a concern and I'd like to talk about it. Describe what you think happened. Describe how it left you feeling. Maybe describe the impact of not addressing it, but definitely describe the place you'd like to get to together, and then invite them to respond. Invite them to respond by asking what they think, and then be quiet. Focus on listening to them. Without repeating their words verbatim, show to them that you're hearing what they're saying. Ask questions if you're not sure that you understand. It's not a debate. You want to understand each other. Be empathetic, even if that's not natural for you. You aren't the only one with feelings. And if you still can't resolve it, together and peacefully bring it to the right person in the organization who can help resolve the issue. We're having an issue, and we could use some help working it out. Learn to have healthy conflict, and the whole project will benefit. Thanks for watching, and please buy our products.